Good morning, early morning, and I don't think Lily understands. Too early, Lily. It's just too early, Lily. Mum has just really got up and, yeah, she saw me. Saw me as soon as I came in this room, and it was instant, let me out. So, of course, gonna let her out. What else does Mum do when it comes to Lily, except for let her out? Well, you don't need to lean on that door anymore, okay? The door's open. Are you right? Yep, she says. I'm perfectly fine now, Mum, because you've actually let me out. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing, darling? Hey? Sorry if it's a bit blurred, I'm a bit close. Ah, yes. What is Lily going to do? Which is fine by me. She can go on up. That's the wrong way. She says, I know. I'm just having a look at the moment. To have that trust. Isn't it what I think everybody wants to have with their snake, is that trust. To open the door, to know that you're not going to have a defensive snake in your face or to come at you in any way, shape or form. Just to be able to open the door and know exactly what they're like, what they're doing, and what they want. Because that's the key to it as well, is being able to open that door and know. I know what you're telling me here. You want to come out. You want to spend the day out with me. Well, not just with me, but out. You want to go to your favourite spot, which is somewhere up there, and chill out for the rest of the day because it's boring in there. And not only is it boring in there, I spend so much of my life in there, Mum, that I want to come out and sleep out here. I can sleep out here. What's wrong with me sleeping out here? If I'm not going out, nothing wrong with Lily sleeping out here for the day. Of course, if I have to go out, she has to go home. So I just see it as it's just somewhere different for her to come and hang out, rather than being in her enclosure all of the time. I'll move on up, though the body hasn't really got moving yet. Lily, and you're already making Mum climb. And see what I know you're not going anywhere really that you shouldn't be going at this particular point. It's okay. I don't need her going down too far, because that means I've got to kneel down too far and try and get her. There you go. Good girl. Come on up here. That's it. You know where to go, don't you? So, as I've said, I'm going to delve more into how you develop this enormous trust and relationship with your snake. And to give everybody a sense of peace with their snakes, to enjoy them, to get to be around them without thinking, I don't want to be bitten by my snake. I never think ever, no matter what is going on or what I'm doing or how I'm approaching Lily or anything, pardon me, at all, do I ever think to myself, she'll bite me. She could bite me. I just don't need to think that way with Lily anymore. Or Jack, Amaya, Apani, Maya, even Sia, Jessie, Tessa. Yes, I still need to be a bit more mindful with Tessa. She's the only one, and I'm determined that she won't be like that for very long, and I'll just keep working with her, just as I have done with the Jack and the Lily and so on. You know, it didn't and doesn't always come naturally to a snake to be, what do we say, friendly, but some snakes are. Make the most of that. If you get a little one that is open to that relationship from the get-go, take advantage of it while they are like that, and keep it going, and do the time with them if they're enjoying it. Now, people say they don't like it, that they only tolerate it. That is false. That is not true. It is so important to spend time with them because they adapt. They just get to know, this is my life. This is what my life is. It's not me out in the wild. And yes, they're captive bred, so they've not been out in the wild. But they're still living what would be considered to be not their natural life. But so you make their life as stress-free as you possibly can by letting them get used to you and knowing that you and your home is their life. Like I said, a little bit of a yawn, and now she's just going to cark it up there, and because that's all she really wanted to do was find her comfy spot. Yesterday it was down here in the hammock, today it's up higher, but this is Lily's life. This is what she knows. This is what she realizes is her home and a part of her life here. Me, this room, of course the other snakes. She gets to have time with the other snakes. But all in all, she lives a life with humans, dogs, cats, and she's content. And your snakes can be too. But get them out. Spend time with them. Won't happen sitting in an enclosure. So guys, take care of yourself and your family and your friends, your snakes, and all your animals.